Motorola Edge 50 Fusion has just leaked in a video. This whole Edge 50 series is getting a lot of attention. We have to remember that the Motorola Edge 50 Pro was recently officially launched in India, and we already know its specifications. But we are still waiting for the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, Edge 50 Neo, and Edge 50 Fusion to be presented, in addition to the base model Edge 50. The EV Leaks leaker has been responsible for publishing this video where you can get a glimpse of the Edge 50 Fusion, where we can configure that it will have a 50 megapixel camera with optical stabilization, a pixel size of 2 micrometers, also confirming Motorola's new design line, which seems to have a kind of smooth relief on the camera module, very similar to what Samsung launched with the Galaxy A at the time. In the video, you can also see that it will have very fast charging. Like many Motorolas, it will also have a very slim and lightweight design, and it is obviously seen that it has 2 cameras, so it won't have marketing cameras, which is very good news. But in things that cannot be noticed in the image but that have been leaked, it is said that this device will use the Snapdragon 6th Gen processor and will have a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. As you can tell, it's going to be a mid-range device, but the most important thing will be to know its price, but for that we have to keep waiting, although remember that a leak is not a presentation.